The number one mistake for beginner gardeners that no one seems to talk about is going too big too quickly. Probably because they have something to sell you. I have nothing. Start with containers and grow bags so you learn what spots are good. Start with 1, 2, maybe 3 plants. And you know what? Buy starts in the beginning. Seed starting is awesome, but it's its own world, and it could be a lot, okay? Find the pest, you deal with the pest, you see the leaves starting to turn yellow, find out what you gotta do, and you nurse them back all the way, and you learn. Oh, I buy 5 raised beds, 5 and just throw them. Then you realize 2 were in terrible spots, and good luck moving a raised bed. If I started growing this many plants at first, I probably would have given up. Yep. And every year you push the limits, and every year you see what you're comfortable with. And next year there'll be a new garden stock right there with an extra 30 plants. 30 plants would have murdered my mental health back in the day, I'll be honest with you. So please, 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 don't overwhelm yourselves. Growing a garden is the most important thing, in my opinion, that anyone could do. Don't overwhelm yourselves and find out that gardening is too hard and just give up. Giving up is the worst. You've learned so much. If you've given up, please understand that you've learned so much. You may have just overwhelmed yourself. You just got to arm yourself with knowledge and some experience. That's it. Happy gardening, everybody.